This video courtesy of Disorderly Florida. Mike sent me this video. It's the car in front there. Cop stopped his vehicle for unregistered tags. The woman behind the steering wheel is trying to, I think, allegedly, is trying to make believe that she's a lot younger than what she actually is. And I think she handed the cop her sister's ID or driver's license or something. It's it's quite an interesting video. You kind of get distracted in this video. So let's go ahead and watch it. It's quite a long video. I'm probably going to cut it down quite a bit. I don't know. I'll see how it goes. But yeah, you will get distracted quite a bit in this video. Let me know what you think of the video. I'm very curious to see what you have to say on this one.
How you doing, ma'am? I'm Officer Perez, Coral Springs Police Department. The reason why I pulled you over... The reason why I'm pulling you over is because it's showing that the tag is not assigned to this vehicle.
Let me just say, I think this cop, he's got to be on the force for quite a few years. He must have seen stuff in his life.
I'm sorry? You got it from the dealer? Did they not give you an updated tag? As a good one. Do you at least have your driver's license on you? It's just saying that the tag is not a valid tag. You might have to talk to the agency. Do you have your driver's license? I would call them.
So what, I have to change it or?
I would change it like
better.
Yeah, do you have like the registration for the car too? By chance, you have a registration for it?
So what I gotta do? I gotta call them? I don't know what I have to do. Change it or?
I would make a wild guess and say that the lady is probably, I don't know, in the business of being a beautician or in, some muted kind of, what do you call it, trade? I don't know what you call profession. I think that's probably what she's doing for a living. I have no idea. I could be totally wrong. I mean, I'm just sort of like musing based on what I see here.
I would just contact them and ask them for the new tag. Bravo 13 tonight, you? See something really quick? You unlock it? One Bravo 13 too.
Should I call the dealer or?
29 check one time on a Florida driver. It's probably on the front. The last name is going to be Charlie Oscar November, Tango Romeo Echo, Romeo Alpha Sierra, and the first name Kilo Alpha Romeo, Yankee November. No middle initial, and the date of birth is August 27, 93, white female.
August 27, 93. That was about, what's that, 33 years old now? Somewhere there. I don't want to know. I don't know what happened to you if in 33 years you aged that well. I have no idea. I have no idea. Maybe you can tell me. What do you think? How do you age that well at age 33, 32, somewhere there? No idea.
Yeah, because, like, where'd you buy it at?
That was in Hollywood.
sometimes, so see, look, right here, actually. So this tag. Well, you'd have to registration. And yeah, so, and it's still, it was issued literally a couple days ago. I'll contact them and say, hey, like I was stopped and it's showing that my tag is not valid, right? Like I'll just contact them to try to verify that just to make sure everything was okay. You know what
I don't know. If I were this lady, I would be very, very upset with that dealership. Because this vehicle got stopped solely because the thing doesn't show valid registration. Nothing that the woman did. She did nothing wrong. The tags were not right. That's why the cops stopped her. And now they're going to find more things. So I'm wondering, does she have grounds to sue the dealership? I have no idea. Maybe you know. I don't live in America. Maybe you can tell me.
I mean? 10-4. Does it advise who she's registered to? Stand by for me one moment, all right? Look, Mel. Well, what's name told us to just, Wiseman was like, just pull up on the leads first, see if we could just verify the pic.
Okay.
All right, look, ma'am, listen.
She says she's 28 and has a 15-year-old.
Okay. Look, you got to be honest with us about your identity. All right? And not being transparent and honest about your identity can lead to obstruction. All right? And that driver's license, if I contact that person on that driver's license, would it be you that you gave me? What's the name of the person on the driver's license? Okay. When's Karen's birthday?
8/27/93.
Okay. And if I contact that number, well, who would it call?
Which number?
The person that's associated with the driver's license. Would it call you? Okay.
What's wrong? I gotta make it to my
Well, listen, we conducted a traffic investigation. You don't have no other form of identification.
No, if you follow me, I forgot the credit card in the house.
You don't have nothing on you, no pictures of it?
I have a credit card.
The cops are not buying the story, and I wouldn't either. That license, if I'm correct in what I've heard, I could have misheard, but she should be in the early 30s. Now I don't know. It's very hard to believe. Very, very hard for me to believe. This lady is 30 years old, mid-30s. Very hard. I don't know. What do you think? Am I wrong here? I don't know. You let me know.
You don't have anything on the phone?
Can you come with me to, if I have a credit card in my
No, we can't come with you right now. No weapons or anything in the car, right? Have you ever been arrested before? Never been arrested for anything?
Yeah, I would try to be honest at this point in time.
Well, is there anybody else that got the same name as you? No?
What happened? I don't understand. I gotta make it to my
I can get PSO pics.
What happened? What happened?
You can get it? It's the Yasmin Villa.
Okay, I'll pull this up. I can get BSO pics, not BSO leads. So.
Right, because I can't get the leads either.
Yeah. Did you get pics? I I got pics. Let me do the search.
Yeah, because the name is not going to come up on the pics, though. On the, Yeah, I'm just trying to, I got to verify your identity. I have to verify your identity. If you drive, part of driving is being able to verify somebody's identity. Okay?
Yeah, that's standard practice. And once again, if that lady is mid-30s, then she must have had one hell of a life. I don't know.
And if I call that number on that driver's license to Karen Contreras, right, is that you? Okay? Bravo 1322. Bravo 1322. Hey, do you have an 88 for the original suspect that I ran, the first? Do you have an 88 for that person?
She's a little bit worried at this point in time. And I get that. I get that. Why not just be truthful? You know, life happens.
I'll go look at my computer screen.
Easy enough.
What's the address where your children are?
Yeah. All right. You have a good phone number. What's the phone number for you? All right. One Bravo 1302. Can you confirm that? Can you confirm that 99, please? All right, look, man. You gotta be honest about your identification, all right? Last chance. Your name is, I'm sorry? Karen? Okay. All right. Look, can you put that bag on the side over there? Just put the bag on the side over there for me, please. Like, take the bag out your lap. Yeah, the bag. 13 tonight.
What is it wrong?
All right, 10-4, I appreciate that.
What is it wrong?
All right, I'm gonna have to have you step out the car for me, okay? All right, look. Based on our investigation, we determined that you are Miss Yasmin. All right, Miss Yasmin has an unconfirmed warrant out of Broward County, and they want you to speak to a judge.
And that right there is a problem. That is a problem. Not going to arrest her. Well, they would have arrested her right in the beginning as well, had they known that. If had you given her a real identity, right, they would have arrested her. That's why I say the place where she bought the car from, they did not do their job properly. That's why the cops stopped this vehicle. I wonder if she will have a case against them, a civil case. I have no idea. Give me your thoughts. I'd like to hear that. But yeah, so she's now going to get arrested.
All right?
But I'm Jasmine.
Okay.
I give you my driver.
You gonna keep going with that? You sure?
I mean, I didn't realize I'm wrong. I'm not going to do that.
Yeah, but giving a police officer a fake driver's license is something wrong.
No,
Why isn't that wrong?
because that's me.
Okay.
Why?
All right.
Do you agree with me from the...
Yeah, I 100% agree, but
Huh?
I do. Can you put that? Let me see. Put the phone here. All right, ma'am, just relax, okay? All right, take it. Ma'am, I need you to relax, okay? I need you to follow my instructions, okay?
I gotta make it to my good.
Follow my instructions, okay? You hear what I'm telling you?
Yeah.
So a police officer is giving you directions, and you need to follow those. You hear what I'm telling you? There's no more questions, all right? We'll get phone numbers. We'll figure out how we'll deal out with your children a little later, okay? Because I care about the kids, and I want to make sure that your kids are safe, all right? But we have an investigation to conduct, and you're impeding our ability to do our investigation. I need you to put that bag over there on the side of the car, all right? And I need you to step out the car and face forward, okay?
Simple instructions. Even I understand that.
Face forward. You just step out the car for me and face forward, okay? All right, wait, put your hands in the small of your back for me. Hands in the small of your back. See your hands? You got no weapons or anything on you? Until we finish our investigation, we're gonna put you in handcuffs until we complete our investigation, okay? That's a pretty small risk here. All right.
You understand how serious this is?
All right.
Now that you need to identify yourself.
Either she's very tiny or that cop is huge. I think it's probably both. I think he's a big man and she's a tiny woman. Looks like that to me.
Your real identity, not the driver's license, but who you really are.
Look, I'm gonna read you something, and then after I read you this, okay, and give you another opportunity to tell us whether or not who you really are, all right? So look.
Yes.
Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to us? You don't want to talk to me?
Yeah.
Okay, so that driver's license that you gave me, whose driver's license is it?
That's mine.
Are you 100% sure that's your driver's license?
Yes.
Okay. All right, and how is that? Okay, so where does Karen, what's the address of where Karen lives at right now?
Orlando.
Okay. And if I call Karen, who would it go to?
Phone.
The phone you have in this car? Huh? Okay. All right.
Yeah, let's get dispatched to TLO's number, and let's call Karen's number and see if her phone rings.
All right. All right, come on. So if we don't get you in this heat, we're going to stand you out in this car for a little bit, all right? So you're not in the heat.
What happened?
Come on, man. Just walk with me really quick.
Just doesn't give up.
You have no
You
weapons
know
or
she's
anything on you,
caught.
right?
No.
Just doesn't give up.
I think I need to. She got a lot of like little jewelries and stuff on her.
Yeah.
Ma'am, face forward for me, all right? Face forward. Think I should get a female officer really quick?
Yeah.
No, it's okay.
Just stand right, ma'am, relax. Stand here.
This is not what we want to do, okay? But you're not being honest with us. We don't believe you.
You can stand by with her.
Yes,
and
I
I'll give her.
Okay? Here's the registry.
So my sister's gonna get it. What do you mean? Who's gonna get it? Huh?
The Florida Department of Children and Families will be notified because you've been arrested. Okay? So now your children, DCF will have to determine who takes care of your children. Okay?
What do you mean?
Well, listen, like my partner's saying that we have to call them, right? And sometimes they will let you know just what resources are available for you. If you don't have any help, the state is available here to help you. But why would I talk to them in a way, Yasmin, right? To tell them that you need help if you're not honest with us. So then I send these representatives from the state to help you out, and then you're not honest with them. You get what I'm saying? I want to help you. Believe it or not, our job is to help, not to make things worse for you. It really isn't. All right, Yasmin? I need you, like, we're going to contact them. It's not always 100% that they show up. They might, because you're not necessarily putting your children's life in danger, but anytime that a parent is arrested for something, we have to contact them. It's just a process, all right?
Where did you get that driver's license?
Huh?
Where'd you get the driver's license from that you gave me?
What do you mean when I get it?
Who gave it to you? Where did you get it from?
All my family is here. They all from here.
But the driver's license you gave me, where did you get that from? Did someone give it to you?
It's my sister.
Okay, but why would your sister do that? Why would she give you her driver's license? Because if I write your sister a ticket, right, and she doesn't show up for work, I mean, she doesn't show up for a court, right, a criminal citation, your sister could then get arrested.
All right, so it's her sister's license. Maybe the woman thinks that, well, somebody's got a license, everybody can use it. I have no idea. Maybe that's a thought. I never thought of that. I don't know.
Do you want that for your sister? I wouldn't want that for my brother.
What's that story?
And me and my brother, we look very much alike. You know what I mean? And if something happens to me and I give the cop his name and something then happens to him, that's not fair to him. All right?
So why the other guy said he's gonna give me the ticket?
No, you are going to get tickets, okay? But the county, there's an arrest warrant for you from the county, not Coral Springs, okay? The county wants you, ass.
No, but I didn't do nothing wrong.
I don't know why the county wants you.
I didn't do nothing wrong.
You'd have to talk to the judge about that, Yasmin.
All of your property that the other officer took off you is in a bag in your car. You want to keep that in your car for your sister to take and safeguard?
You can leave it there.
You want to leave it in your car?
No,
Okay.
All right, so let's leave the video here. Apparently her name is Jasmine. Apparently she was driving on her sister's license. Can't understand why that's a problem. All of the family's got a license. I think that's what she said. Now, once again, they stopped her because she bought a new vehicle. Might have been a used one, but a new one. And it seems like the dealership did not do their job in registering the tags. Now, I'm wondering if you can answer me. If you know, does she have a case against the dealership? A civil case? I have no idea. I have no idea. If that is the case, what do you think will happen? I have no idea. Anyway, it's a fun video. I wasn't going to make another video today, but then Mike sent me this one. How can I not say anything on this one? Good stuff. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate your time. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and the comments. It does help us a lot. I'll see you in the next one.